Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Now I am going to conduct a English language class for the students of class 3, and our today's topic is simple past tense and past continuous tense. So let's come to the board. It's lecture 22, simple past tense and past continuous tense. Number 1, write the simple past forms of these words or verbs. Dear students, you know that past form means this is the second form of the verb. Okay, so we have to write the past form of these verbs. Okay, it's very much easy, and I took 2 or 3 classes of you, so I didn't write it. Okay, see the past form of see is saw, SAW, saw. Take, took. Cry, cried. Fight, fought. Stop, stopped. Happen, happened. Look, looked. Fly, flew. Put, put. Cut, cut. Save, saved. Okay, you will find it in your advanced book also. Okay, now come to number 2, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, dear students, it's very easy tense, and to know about the tense, first of all you have to know the structure of this tense. Okay, I have written the structure also here, although it's your revision class. First of all, you have to write down the subject, then was or were. Was or were. Whenever the subject is plural or first person or second person or third person plural number, on that time we have to use were. And whenever the subject is plural, a singular, that means third person singular number or I, first person, then we have to use was. Okay, after that the first form of the verb, that means V1, the first form of the verb, that means present form of the verb, then ing along with the verb. After that you have to write the object or extension. So the structure would be subject plus was or were, then verbs present form along with ing plus object. Identify the correct verbs to complete the following sentences. Okay, we have to identify the verb. Okay, number A, Manai and Arnav played or were playing football when the bell rang or was ringing. Dear students, you know that it's in the meaning of past continuous tense. So you know that Manav and Arnav, they are 2 persons. So it's plural. So we have to use were playing. Okay. After that, when the bell rang or was ringing, while the bell is singular, so bell rang. Okay, and along with the structure, you can see that Manav and Arnav, these 2 are the subject. Then why? Because the subject are plural, the subject is plural. So after where we have to use the present form along with ing. So plays, present form is play, so play plus ing, playing. After that object, this is the objects. Okay, number B, I meet Arifa at the market last week. Dear students, last week. Okay, last week. If you find anything which happened in the previous time, then we have to use that sentence, or you have to convert that sentence into simple past tense. Then while I shopped or was shopping. So I told you that by seeing this word last week, we have to convert it into past indefinite. Past indefinite means subject plus verbs past form plus object. So meet is the past form, MET is the present form, then MET past form, then MET the past participle form of the verb. So the answer would be meet and was shopping. Okay. After while, after having while in any sentence, if you get any subject, after while if you get any sentence having subject after while, then you have to must convert that sentence into past continuous tense. Okay, dear students, remind it, after while if you get subject, then you have to convert that sentence into past continuous tense. And after while if you don't find any subject, then you have to convert that sentence into simple past tense. Number C, we slept or were sleeping when my uncle arrived or was arriving. We singular or plural? You know that we plural. So were sleeping. Okay. When my uncle is singular, and when my uncle arrived or was arriving from Pune, it would be arrived because he is already reached. Okay. Mary waited or was waiting for the bus when it started or was starting to rain. Okay. Mary is singular, so was will be used here, not were. Mary is singular. Okay. When it started rain or was starting to rain? No, it would be started rain. Okay. Number E, my brother came or was coming home while I did or was doing my project. Dear students, after seeing this while, I told you that after seeing while, if you get any subject after the while, we have to convert that sentence into past continuous tense. So I is singular, so a singular subject will take singular verb, was doing, and my brother came. So the answer will be my brother came home while I was doing my project. So dear students, this is all about today's class of past simple past tense and past continuous tense. I hope you all have understood today's class, and for your better understanding, you must practice it at home more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.